Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is polynomials and factorization. Okay, so first one, polynomials. We know that a comma b comma c d e f I j k p q r x y z and so on. The lower case letters of English alphabet are taken as variables. Okay, next one. We know that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are all the numerals. So the combination of these variables and numerals are known as terms. Okay, suppose 1 into A, 2 into B, 3 into C, 7 into P, 9 into X and so on. These are all known as terms. Okay, next one, the combination of the terms with two or more variables is known as expressions. Okay, suppose 2x plus 3, 4p plus 9, 7x plus 2 and so on. These are all known as expressions. Okay, suppose the terms 4xyz 5pqr square 9xyz cube and so on. These are all known as monomials. Okay, the terms which are having single terms are known as monomials. Next one, 3x plus 2y 5p minus 2q 7x minus 8z and so on. These are all known as binomials. Okay, single terms monomials, two terms binomials, three terms ax plus by plus cz. Next, px minus qy plus rz and so on. This type of terms are known as trinomials. More than three terms are known as polynomials. Okay, suppose 4xy 9z plus 2y px minus qy ax plus by plus cz 9x square yz p x y square z. Okay, suppose these are the terms. Now classify these terms. Okay, see, first one is known as, it is single term, so it is monomial. Next, this one, two terms are there, so it is known as binomial. Next, two terms, binomial. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So three terms, trinomial. Next one, 9x square yz. So this is a single term, and this one is also a single term. So these two are taken as monomials. Okay, so single terms monomials, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial. Like this we can classify the terms. Next one is degree of monomial. Suppose 4x square y cube z square right? Degree of monomial means we have to take the powers of the variables. First we have to take the powers of the variables. Okay. Next, add the powers. Add the powers. Suppose x power is 2 plus y power is 3 plus z power is 2. So 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 7. 7 is the degree of monomial. Okay, degree of monomial means we have to add all the powers of the given monomial. Okay. Next one, degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial is nothing but the highest degree or highest power of the given polynomial. Highest power of the given polynomial. Okay. For example, 3x square plus 7x plus 5. Here x square, here x, and there is no variable here. So there is no variable means x to the power of 0. Why? Because here x power is in decreasing order. See, x power 2, here x power 1 and x power 0. So anything power of 0 is 1. And 3 is called coefficient of x square. Okay, 3 is called the coefficient of x square and 7 is called coefficient of x and 5 is called coefficient of x to the power of 0. Here x to the power of 1. Okay, so these are called the coefficients. In these three terms, the highest power is 2. Okay, so therefore the degree of 3x square plus 7x plus 5 is 2. Okay, so the degree of the polynomial is 2. Highest power is known as the degree of the polynomial. See second example, here x square y square plus x 4xy plus 7. Here x square y square quotient is 3. Coefficient of x square y square is 3. Next one, coefficient of xy is 4 and coefficient of xy, here there is no variables, so here we can take it as x power 0 and y power 0. Here x power 1 and y power 1. So the quotient of x power 1 y power 1 is 4 and the quotient of x power 0 and y power 0 is 7. Okay, so generally we can take this 7 or here 5 are constants. Okay, now the highest power is known as the degree of the polynomial. So 3x square y square plus 4xy plus 7x to the power of 0 y to the power of 0. In these three, the highest power is nothing but here, suppose if you take this one, this is generally taken as single term. So that is monomial. Here the power is or the degree is 3x square y square is add the powers of the variables. So 2 plus 2, 4. So 4 is here 4 and here 2 and here 0. Okay, so the highest power is taken as the degree of the polynomial. Therefore, the degree of the given polynomial is 4. Okay. Suppose polynomials. Here 2x plus 3, 4x square plus 5x plus 7, 4x cube plus 5x square plus 9x plus 1 and 4x to the power of 4 minus 7x cube plus 5x square minus 2x minus 3. See the difference between one by one. Here 2x plus 3, 4x square plus 5x plus 7, 4x cube plus 5x square plus 9x plus 1, 4x to the power of 4 minus 7x cube plus 5x square minus 2x minus 3. See here, what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree is degree 1. Okay. Next here degree 2. Degree 3. Here degree 4. Okay. If the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is known as linear polynomial. What is that? Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Right. If the degree of polynomial is 2, then it is known as quadratic. What is that? Quadratic polynomial. Next one. If the degree of polynomial is 3, then it is known as cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. If the degree of polynomial is 4, then it is known as fourth ordered polynomial. Fourth ordered polynomial. Okay. Suppose if you take the general forms of these polynomials, ax plus b, ax square plus bx plus c, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, and so on. Ax to the power of n plus bx to the power of n minus 1 plus cx to the power of n minus 2 plus dx to the power of n minus 3 plus and so on plus constant. Constant. Here ax plus b is the general form of linear polynomial. Okay, ax plus b is the general form of linear polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c is the degree is 2. So this is known as quadratic polynomial. And ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is cubic polynomial, fourth ordered polynomial, and this is nth ordered polynomial. Okay. If you see the polynomials, if we observe these polynomials, what we understood here? See first one, ax plus b, here power is 1, here power is 1, here for this b there is no variable, so here power is x to the power of 0. So x to the power of 1, x to the power of 0. If you take second one, ax square plus bx plus c, here x power is 2, here x power is 1, here there is no x, therefore x power 0. X square, x power 0. Next x cube, x square, x power 0. X to the power of 4, x cube, x square, x and x power 0. That means here the powers of each one is in decreasing order. Okay, x power is in decreasing order. Okay, understood children? Next, general forms. General forms. Okay. First one, ax plus b is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Second one, ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Next, third one. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is cubic polynomial. Ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is biquadratic. Biquadratic or fourth ordered polynomial. Fourth ordered polynomial. And so on. Ax to the power of n plus bx to the power of n minus 1 plus cx to the power of n minus 2 plus dx to the power of n minus 3 plus and so on. Last one is constant. Is nth ordered polynomial. Is nth ordered polynomial. Nth ordered polynomial. Okay. Understood, children? Thank you.